welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Today I want to share with you a great garage organization unit that I got. I am just loving this whole setup. It's a ceiling mount storage unit, and it is just great when you need some extra space and you don't want to put stuff on the floor or on shelves. Maybe you don't have the room. Take it up to, for the ceiling. FLEXIMOUNT has been great. They graciously sent me this and for me to kind of take a look at it and see what I thought. I absolutely love it. I'm super excited to share more information with you on it. It's going to be on Prime Day, so that is a great opportunity for you to get a discount on it. It's super great, and I was able to maximize our parking area, which was a kind of a problem. My mom has a car and then I have my car, and we had to I didn't have room over on the other side on the storage unit area of the garage, the third garage. I didn't have room for a armoire that is my daughter's from when she was a little girl, and we're saving it for when she has a little girl. And so I have it and I can store it, but it was on our driver's side garage. And if I'm being honest, with my mom and maneuvering in and not trying to get, hit the armoire, but like close to hitting me, it's been a little bit of a nightmare. So I'm really super excited that we were able to take care of the problem and move that over there and get some stuff out of the other side, put it up on the FLEXIMOUNT storage unit, and make some room, So I'm excited to share this with you, the installation, talk about its qualities and the ease of it, assembling it, all that kind of stuff. So let's get started, and let me show you how great this product is. So my hope is that we can move all of this stuff up to those storage and kind of rework so that we can lift up this this shelf here so that we can put the other stuff on the other side in here, so we have a little bit more room for parking. This is all stuff that is going away. But I'm thinking if we put the Christmas tree stuff and the lighting, we can move this all up, and then we have more room for the big armoire and stuff in here. That's my hope. First, I wanted to say thank you to FLEXIMOUNT for sending out this storage unit for me to try out. I'm absolutely loving it, and I really think you will like it as well. I want to give you some information on this. First, I wanted to kind of just talk through. It actually has really good instructions. It has a nice mounted kind of a diagram that you tape up to the wall so that it gives you ease of where to make your putting in your bolts and all that kind of stuff, and gives you an idea of finding the studs and all that kind of stuff. I will go over in weights and all that kind of stuff in a minute, but I just wanted to give you an overall view of how it was to install it. I asked both of the gentlemen that helped me do this. They said it actually, once you got going and you found your studs and you knew where to go to hold it, the directions were very clear and simple, and it was not that hard to put up. It's definitely a two-person job. So that's basically it. It came with, obviously you're going to need a drill, but it came with all the bolts, all the hardware, everything that you're going to need, good instructions, and again, that template that they mounted to the wall or to the ceiling so that they could install with ease. Okay, so this particular unit is called a GL1. It's the 4x4 garage lifting storage rack. The max load that it can hold is 300 pounds, and it is the dimensions are 48 by 48 by 71. It is also suitable for any garages less than 9 feet, and it can be for the concrete ceiling or the wood joist, which is what I had, is the wood joist, and it can be with spacing 12-inch, 16, or 24. I'm going to have the link in the bio with all of the information, but I wanted to make sure that you knew the actual name and all of that. It is going to be on Prime Day, July 16th through the 21st of this year. And the original price is $259.99 on Amazon right now. But this code, I will tell you it, but I'll also put it in the description. So code FM525005 will get you an extra 5% off. And it takes it down to $170.99. I really, really think this is a great opportunity. If you've been needing something like this and, been looking to do this, this would be a great time to pull the trigger, because this is a great price for what you're getting. Very, very sturdy. Obviously, I didn't fill it with 300 pounds, but that is the max pounds that you can put up there. Highly, highly recommend. And again, thank you, FlexMount, for sending this out. Something else that I really like about this product is it is simple for me to just put in the lever and pull it down myself. It just winds down. You'll see in the video, it just winds down. But it's something that I can do. Obviously, I needed some help to get it installed, but it's something that I can lower and raise up with ease myself. So, you know, that's a nice aspect of this as well. I don't have to have somebody come by and help me, you know, so it's simple on that aspect as well. Okay, so this is what it looks like with both the cars in. This, you know, this is my side, this is my mom's side. We've got this here in the middle, which just works out great. Just loving it. We're going to be getting rid of some of this stuff, so even more stuff will come over from this side. And when it cools down, I'm going to do a big garage clean out and, you know, really focus in only on the things we need, you know, I want. And then I want to get with the kids, because this is all kids' keepsakes. So I want to really kind of hone in on what they want to keep. And, you know, we got all that storage. We've got this. I kind of am thinking about getting rid of these and just, you know, like putting some extra decor up here. You know, just so that there's just more space. With two cars in here, it gets a little bit much. But then as we go, and we did get rid of, we were able to, we need to clean this out, but that's not what this video was about. But we got rid of the big armoire that was here, so my mom can park closer over here. That was a problem because she's getting real close to me many times. So we got that armoire out, so that was great. We've got a lot of you know, decluttering and stuff to go on out here in the small garage, but oops, sorry, it's so dark. So we were able to lift up the shelf here, and like I say, I've got a lot of stuff to go through if I even want the, you know what I'm saying, but we were able to move this over here. This is all stuff that is going. You know, then of course I've got all of my Christmas decor, but we've got lighting. My mother bought a lot of lighting over in France, and then it needed to be reworked and redone, so I don't know. But I've got all my, this is my holiday storage unit. It's the third car garage. If you haven't seen it before, this is all Christmas. We've got all fall up there, and then Easter, but then like Easter didn't all the way get put away. This is also Christmas outside lights and stuff like that, and then Valentine's, 4th of July, lemon, summery stuff. I've got some St. Patrick's Day. So yeah, we just kind of keep all the holiday stuff. So this, a lot of work is going to be done over here, and kind of downsizing and just really going through. But I'm super excited to have this out of the way. And this is stuff that was right here is what went up on the storage, the ceiling. So that allowed me to go ahead and bring this out here. This is an armoire of my daughter's. So when she's ready for like a little girl's room, we'll have that ready for her. And so that worked out really, really great. And again, I just want to show you, I mean, it just worked out great. And if you had, you know, like you could go higher to the ceiling if you needed. But, you know, I think that works out great. It's, you know, we're covering both sides. Just really, really, really liking this. And I think it is a really great product. If you're looking for something like this, I think it would be a really great product, and might as well use the Prime Day and get this discount, because, you know, it's quite a good discount, and you know, it really could be very beneficial for a lot of people. And when you think of going and buying, you know, like the racks and then bins and all that kind of stuff, you're probably at the same amount, and then this just gets it off the floor. And up on the, you know, up on the ceiling where it's not really being used. So I think it's great. I highly recommend. I think that, you know, it would be very beneficial for anybody that is looking for some extra storage. What'd you guys think? Wasn't that great? It really was a great experience. Really enjoy just the mechanics of it and how it works and how it can, you know, you just wind it down. And, you know, the stuff that I put up is stuff that we don't really get to except for maybe once a year. So, you know, I'm not going to be cranking it down all the time, but it really is a great option. I already have a lot of shelving all over the place, and but, you know, for a small garage, I can see where this would really, really benefit. A small garage where you're trying to get maybe 2 cars in, or you've got, you know, you don't want to put stuff on the storage, you know, racks on the ground. You want it to go up. How perfect. It's really a great, and what a great time during the Prime sale to be able to get this, you know, purchase for a lot less. I am going to have all the details down in the bottom in the description box. I know we've put, you know, information on the screen throughout the video, but all of the links and everything is going to be down below for you, so you can, you know, be ease of shopping. You know, I don't always, you know, agree to all the products and everything, but I really thought this would be something I could use, and certainly you guys could use and benefit from. And I know I've seen it for many years, but this is a really great price. And so I just wanted to make sure that I shared it with you guys, because, you know, this might be a kind of a time, summer break, summer, everybody's going through their stuff and trying to get organized before the hubbub of school, or you know, the holidays and all that. So it's a great time. It's a great time with the great price. So, you know, you might as well go ahead and, you know, pull the trigger on it. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed. I hope I was able to share with you a great product that would be helpful for you and make your life, you know, better, and help you with your organization journey. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.